Hello and welcome back. So this is going to be the dollar yen update. Dollar yen is just simply breaking nicely and heading down. So we were expecting dollar yen to break out and continue to keep dragging lower. So if I'm going to look at the previous video analysis, then we going to check the updated one after looking at that. So let's just look at this dollar yen. So dollar yen is setting up for a breakout opportunity downside ahead of the US CPI data. So it's forming a very nice correction over there. So we already got a sell-off over there from that top from 140, and price is just simply correcting back to that sharp sell-off and setting up for a sharp breakdown and possible longer-term reversal all the way back to that 110 areas. Okay, so there is a good chance that we may not see that price again anytime soon in the future because it's setting up for a longer-term reversal, which can go up all the way up to 100. All right, so I'm going to draw a couple of trend lines over there so that you can get the idea what kind of trend is there, and trend is just simply broken there. So that trend is just simply broken over there. So if I'm going to pull out a couple of more trend lines there to figure it out that what kind of corrections are there. So we had that flag. We already got reversal formation over there at that top. Nice wedge was there, broken out. Okay, so if I'm going to go to the lower time frame, and we are already having corrections over there, which broke out earlier. So we were expecting that correction to break out. So price has already, broke out these corrections. So nice breakout was there, nice breakout was there, and quick sell-off was there. So it's setting up for another breakout opportunity ahead of the CPI data. So CPI to drop. So it is widely expected that inflation is slowing down and peaking out, which means that rates are also going to peak out. So that's going to be a good story for the dollar yen to start dropping for longer term to the downside. So you are simply looking for this to break out today. If I'm going to pull out fib lines, the price has almost retraced 50% of this previous move. So we have seen retracement of 50%, and price right now within this, correction and trying to break out, but it's slow right now. Breakout is not sharp. Okay, so CPI data can give you a quick sell off on it. So you are watching that to break out. Right, so if I'm gonna pull out a couple of rectangles on it, so you are watching this previous top and this short-term trade first. You're looking that trade first. Price to test that previous low, and for longer term, they're going to be a target all the way up to 110. All right, so you can look for price to fall for longer term up to 110. So any corrections going to be a sell opportunity till 110. So right now, so you are expecting this to fall aggressively. There might be another correction, and again, you are looking for a quick sharp seller for dollar yen to keep falling. All right, so hope that makes sense. All right, so we got that breakout, the breakout which we were expecting after the inflation data. Okay, so what's next? So next is that you are just simply looking for this to continue to keep dragging more lower. So there is a possibility that this can get into a bigger correction, like a slightly bigger correction before going to drop. All right, so if that happens, then the trade setup is still going to get down. All right, so we got a breakout. You're still looking this to continue to keep dragging more lower. All right, so short-term target going to be this previous low, as said in the previous video analysis, and medium term going to be that. Thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye.